How to turn on or turn off adaptive power saving on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Next, in here, tap on the settings icon. From the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on battery. Then tap on power saving. Tap on the left hand side panel. At the top here, tap on the more button. Then tap on adaptive power saving. In here, tap on the toggle button to turn on adaptive power saving, or you can tap on it again to switch it off. Now, when I tap on it, the pop-up says can't use these settings while you are using power saving with limit apps and home screen turn on. So to use adaptive power saving, we need to turn off the limit apps and home screen. And now we'll try it again. So here we can turn on adaptive power saving. And it's here, turn power saving on and off automatically based on your usage patterns. And that's it. After you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.